Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for small businesses, schema markup. This guide is specially designed for small business owners who want to boost their website's visibility without needing any coding skills. So what exactly is schema markup? It's a type of structured data that helps search engines better understand the content on your website. Let's focus on three key benefits. 1. Visibility. Schema markup can help your website earn rich results, making it stand out in search listings. 2. User engagement. Rich results often lead to higher click-through rates, bringing more visitors to your site. 3. Accessibility. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. This guide is meant to be easy for anyone to use. Now, let's take the next step and explore what structured data really means. Search engines aren't mind readers. They're blind archivists, sifting endlessly through billions of pages, trying to guess what your content means. But here's the twist. What if you could hand them a flashlight and a roadmap? That's exactly what structured data does. It's not just a fancy tech gimmick. It's a standardized language, precise, elegant, powerful. That tells Google, hey, this isn't just text, it's a recipe, a review, an event. Using the schema.org vocabulary embedded with JSON LD, structured data transforms your site from a silent billboard into a well-spoken guide. The payoff? Your content earns rich results. Those eye-catching snippets with stars, images, and FAQs. They don't just inform, they compel. That means more clicks, more trust, more business. In SEO, clarity is currency, and structured data is how you start speaking search engine fluently. Ever notice how some search results sparkle with stars, FAQs, or event dates, while others just don't? That's no accident. That's structured data quietly doing its job. Search engines crave clarity. They don't just want to find your content, they want to understand it. By giving them semantic signals through structured data, you're not just playing by the rules, you're rewriting them in your favor. You're giving Google context. Relationships, meaning. That transforms a basic blue link into a rich result, an upgraded, more clickable experience. And the numbers back it up. Some businesses report up to an 82% increase in click-through rates with structured data in place. That's not a lift, it's a leap. Bottom line, structured data bridges the gap between what your site says and what search engines understand. And when machines get it, humans engage. In 2018, Google quietly rolled out an update that began displaying business hours, reviews, event details, and even FAQs, right in the search results. Some businesses saw a surge in visibility. Others, they disappeared. The difference? Schema. Here's the thing, structured data isn't one size fits all. Whether you run a local bakery, a digital agency, or a pop-up event space, the schema you use should reflect your unique reality. The local business schema tells search engines who you are and where to find you. Organization schema builds trust, showcasing your logo, social links, and overall digital presence. Product and offer schemas bring your pricing, availability, and reviews front and center. Event schema boosts attendance by highlighting dates and locations. And FAQ? That's your secret weapon for owning more real estate on the SERP. Each schema type is a lever. Pull the right ones, and your visibility doesn't just increase, it multiplies. A few years ago, implementing structured data meant wrangling with JSON syntax and hoping you didn't break your homepage. Today, that technical barrier has all but disappeared. You don't need to write a single line of code. Need schema for a product, a local business, or an FAQ? Tools like Google's Structured Data Markup Helper guide you step by step. Just fill in the blanks. Using WordPress? Plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math can add schema automatically, no dev team required. And if you're creatively inclined, tools like ChatGPT can generate structured data tailored to your content in seconds. Here's the key shift. Implementation is no longer about technical skill, it's about knowing which schema types move the needle for your business and choosing the right tools to apply them. Ease of use is no longer an excuse. If you can publish a blog post, you can deploy schema. It's that accessible and that powerful. In 2019, a small locksmith shop in Ohio added a local business schema to their website. Within weeks, they started showing up in rich results, with their phone number, business hours, and Google Maps location embedded directly in search. And the best part? They didn't touch a single line of code. So how did they pull it off? Open a schema generator and select local business as your template. Step 2. Fill in your real-world details. Name, address, hours, contact info. Don't overthink it. Just be accurate. Step 3. Generate the JSON LD snippet and copy it. Now comes the magic. Paste it into your site. You can add it directly into your HTML or use a plugin if you're on WordPress. Final step, test it. Google's rich results test will tell you if your markup is valid and whether you're ready to earn that premium spot in search results. It's simple, repeatable, and gives small businesses a technical edge, no developer needed. Now that we've covered how to implement schema without needing coding skills, let's move on to some best practices and an action plan to help you get the most out of your efforts. First, start simple. I recommend beginning with the local business schema. It's a solid foundation that you can build on as your business grows. Next, keep your data up to date. Regularly reviewing your schema ensures it accurately reflects any changes in your business, like your operating hours or contact information. Then, monitor your results. Use Google Search Console to track how your rich results are performing. This gives you insight into how your schema markup is affecting your visibility in search. Finally, stay current. Make it a habit to review the schema.org guidelines at least once a year. This helps you discover new opportunities to improve your online presence. By following these best practices, you'll set your business up for greater success in search results.